अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज इंग्लिश की क्लास में हम ग्रामर देखेंगे। ग्रामर से रिलेटेड हमारा जो आज का टॉपिक होगा वो है पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच। आपके सामने जो बुक है रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल इंग्लिश ग्रामर, इसके पेज नंबर 5 की तरफ हम आ जाते हैं। पेज नंबर 5, पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच। बुक्स आप हेल्प ले सकते हैं और हम स्टार्ट करते हैं पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच से। इसमें आप देख रहे होंगे बुक का नेम भी इधर मेंशन है और पेज नंबर भी इधर मेंशन है। ठीक है, लेक्चर वाइज आप नोट करते जाएं। लेक्चर 1 है ये आपका, 8 और 9 दोनों क्लासेस के लिए है। सबसे पहले पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच में हम देखते हैं देयर आर 8 पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इन इंग्लिश। आपके सामने लिस्ट है: नाउन, प्रोनाउन, वर्ब, एडवर्ब, एडजेक्टिव, प्रपोजिशन, कंजक्शन एंड इंटरजेक्शन। आपके जहन में आ रहा होगा आर्टिकल्स के बारे में। आर्टिकल्स इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच, इट्स अ सेपरेट ग्रामेटिकल टर्म। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अबाउट पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच। सबसे पहले हम नाउन को देख लेते हैं कि नाउन क्या है। नेम ऑफ एनीथिंग एल्स विच साउंड्स यू: वॉल, फैन, बल्ब, ट्यूबलाइट, cupboard, chair, table, etc. etc. Pronoun, like noun, a word that is used in place of noun is called pronoun. There are 7 nominative pronouns: I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are nominative pronouns. These words are used in place of noun. What is the purpose of pronoun? The purpose of pronoun is to stop the repetition of naming words. For example, एक passage हम लिखते हैं: Ali is playing cricket, Ali is playing well, Ali is using his bat for strokes, for sixers and fours. So again and again I'm saying Ali, Ali, naming words. So this looks odd. So in order to stop the repetition, we use pronouns like he for Ali, she for Salma, it for horse, etc. So next is verb. Action words are called verb. There are 2 types of verbs: regular verbs and irregular verbs. What is regular verb? The words ends with ed. The words ends with ed are called regular verbs. Second type is irregular verb. For example, come, came, come, speak, spoke, spoken, do, did, done, drink, drank, drunk. Such kind of words which change in a variety are called irregular verbs. The example of regular verbs are work, worked, worked. Add, added, added, ends with ed are regular verbs. Next is adverb. Adverbs are the words which modifies verbs or adjective. वो अल्फाज जो वर्ब या एडजेक्टिव को एक्सप्लेन करें वो एडवर्ब कहलाते हैं. नॉर्मली एडवर्ब्स एंड्स विद ly. So for example, beautifully, sadly, up, down, first, second, these are adverbs. Adjectives are quality of noun. Adjectives are quality of noun. There are many examples about adjective like good student, hardworking boy, good player, etc. Next is preposition. Preposition like preposition. A word that tells the position of noun is called preposition. For example, the cat is sitting under the table. The word under is telling us the position of cat. Cat is noun, under is describing word for noun. So this word is telling the position of noun. So this is preposition. Next is conjunction. This is very important. Here with the help of conjunction we will do the kind of sentences like complex, compound sentences. Conjunction, what are conjunction? Conjunctions are the words which links words or link sentences. For example, there are two sentences here. Birds can fly and fish can swim. So birds can fly, fish can swim. I am going to join these two clauses through a word and. So and is conjunction here because it is joining two clauses and it will become a sentence. So conjunctions and, but, or, for, because, if, etc. Interjection. Interjection are the words which describes the feeling of a person. For example, hurrah, ooh, ah, ouch. It ends with exclamation mark. So, this is about the definition of parts of speech. Let's start with our first heading, that is noun. So, what is noun? You have to read first, then I will describe it. A word that tells about the name of a person, place, thing, animal, or name of idea is called noun. Again, I'm going to repeat it. A word that tells about the name of a person, place, thing, animal, or name of idea is called noun. Here there are example of noun. You have to imagine that all naming words are noun. So, further I will discuss the kind of noun. First you have to put in your mind the example of noun. Muhammad, peace be upon him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Next, chair, beauty, plastic, books, colony of ants. So, first you will see that here Muhammad, peace be upon him. Here Muhammad is Muhammad's M is capital. Why it's capital? Because it's a proper noun. Next example, you will say that chair. Chair. Its first letter C is small. Why it's smaller? Because it's a common noun. Next, beauty. Beauty. Here there are some more words. Sad. Lies. So these words are, can you guess? Yes, these are abstract noun. A word that is used that cannot be seen and touched are known as abstract noun. All ideas are abstract nouns. Truth, beauty, sad, lie, democracy, revenge, happiness are all like Islamism, Buddhism, Judaism, all isms, ideas are abstract. Abstract noun. Next is material noun or plastic noun. Material noun, sorry, and concrete noun. In different grammar, you will see that material noun or concrete noun. So, things can be seen and touched are known as material noun. For example, plastic, iron, wood, etc. It material noun or concrete noun has two subkinds: countable and uncountable noun. You will see in Wren and Martin page 5 or further pages. Countable nouns are nouns which can be counted or which the words ends with s are known as countable noun. For example, book, books, chair, chairs, table, tables, ring, rings, mobile, mobiles, etc. On the other hand, uncountable noun are words does not end with does not end with I'm sorry, does not end with s. For example, water, we cannot say waters. Like milk, we cannot say milks. Salt, we cannot say salts. So these are uncountable noun. The last kind of noun is collective noun, or in different grammar you will see that group noun. In English, all nouns which having groups and groups having specific names. These names are known as collective noun. For example, here are some very interesting examples for you, like colony of ants, the group of ants. चूंटियों का जो ग्रुप है उसे कॉलोनी बोलेंगे, colony of ants. Next is loins, pride of loins. This is group name of loins. Next is elephants, herd of elephants. What about doctors, panel of doctors? What is judges, jury of judges? Loin, pride of loin. Camels, caravan of camels. Fleet of sheep. Cluster of stars. Herd of sheep. Hive of honeybees. Galaxy of stars, etc. So this is about noun. You have to learn it by heart, and inshallah, further next we shall start pronoun. You have to write noun definition, parts of speech, parts of speech, noun till interjection, and then noun with along with definition and examples, and five kinds of noun. Further, I will make you write five kind of noun in our next lecture. So still you have to learn it by heart and give me your feedback through your emails. Like, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.